Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing as I have the past two videos because I've been sick and I decided to record all these videos at one time. So what? I never do that. Anyway, so today I'm going to be doing my Boxy Charm. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, even though y'all already know, stick around. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be opening a Boxy Charm for June 2018. See what is in here. I already know what's in here. I already opened it, but I'm going to show you guys. Okay, first of all, there's a card in here. It has everything that is in here, and it tells you how much it is and gives you a little description of everything. And this month is Caribbean Queen. And on the back there is a coupon code. I'm gonna have it in the description below. It's for Sol de Janeiro. The code is a Boxy 2018. Yeah. So I'll have that down below. And let's get into this box, guys. So the first thing I have on top here is the Luxie brushes. I tried these out today. I had this box for a couple days. 2 days? Something like that. I don't know. 3 days. Anyway, so these brushes, it's a 3-piece flawless complexion set. There's a precision foundation brush with less bristle density. This brush is perfect for applying both powder and liquid foundations to create a soft, diffused makeup look. Then there's the tapering highlight face brush. This fluffy taper brush allows you to seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the high points of your face or set your under eye makeup. And then the duo fiber, which I think is the weirdest right here. Use this ultra soft duo fiber brush to apply cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. These are supposed to retail for $42. I believe it. They're Luxie brushes. They are so nice. These are my first Luxie brushes that I've ever owned. And I'm telling you what, I love them. This is kind of weird, but this is the duo fiber one. It's kind of weird. I don't see how you can put any, I don't know, some kind of powder, maybe. I don't know, maybe under eye powder. But yeah, and these ones, I mean, they're very, very similar. One's a little more dense than the other. This one's a little more dense, and this one says precision foundation, but this is more or less, I think, for powder under the eyes. And then the highlight brush is good. Highlight brush is what it says. Anyway, yes, $42. So those are really cool. The next thing up are the Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. The 3D multi-layer Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding the volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. These retail for $28, and this is what they look like. I think these are more or less for an everyday look, but they're not. They look nice. Haven't tried them, but the band is nice and thin, so they look like they'd be good. Now they're all like the same length, you know, from side to side. So I guess it really doesn't matter what eye you put on what. But we'll see. Okay, next thing up is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. think it's a really stupid name for a cream, but whatever. Says the Brazilian Bum Bum cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum. It's creamy and rich in guarana, whatever, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add the perfect Brazilian glow. As the formula helps your body look and feel the smoothest and tightest. Pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragranced. This stuff is strong. It is strong. But it smells really good. Really good. Like, I like this smell. It is freaking awesome. Like, woo. Anyway, this retails for $10. It's teeny tiny. They do have a medium and a large. And the large one, I can't remember. I think it's like 35, 25, something like that. I don't know. You'd have to check it out. But, yeah. This is like, it smells so good. But if you're wearing this, you ain't gonna need to wear perfume or you're gonna blow everybody away. Okay, the next thing in here is the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick. It says the Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick is a one-step full lip color that does not feather. The vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. Lipstick effect. Huh. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. This retails for $21, and I know it does. And this is really pretty. Like, I already tried this on. I mean, it isn't too dark. It isn't too light. But it's like, I don't like the shade. I don't like this shade because it's almost kind of like not wearing lipstick. I don't know. I think the shade looks good on me. I think it matches my eye look. But yeah, so that's that. And then we have this little thing. It is a Jonte Blue waterproof eyeliner pencil. 100% vegan. Waterproof eyeliner pencil. Glides on smoothly for elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. It retails for $5. It's just, it looks kind of gray, honestly. It looks like gray. But, I don't know. Maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll just throw it in my kit. Okay. Next thing, of course, everybody was waiting for the Alamar. The Alamar palette. This is the volume 1. Yeah, volume 1. This palette features 8 highly opaque shades, reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics, or ground your look with the warm richness of creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature the water droplet and can be used with a wet brush, the sun symbol for application with a dry brush. I didn't even notice that. They do. What is this? Like, makeup for beginners? Paint by numbers? I don't know. Anyway, there's that. And well, let me just swatch some of these. I'm just going to go down one side, down the other side. There's one side. So, oh, there it is. Oops. What does it look like? That green's really cool up here. Anyway, can't wait to use this. Just to try it out and see how it is. I don't have a total for you, but this retails for $28. And if you guys don't know what Boxy Charm is a $21 a month subscription. You get at least 5 full-size products a month, and they're all like pretty much high-end. You don't get no, you know, you don't get any drugstore stuff in here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But there will be, if you guys are interested, there'll be a link down below, so you can use my code. I don't think anybody's used my code yet, so use my code, please. Anyway, yeah, so that's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Haven't been feeling too well lately, so it's a little up and at 'em. You know, kind of feeling a little bit better now, just today. Had a couple, this is like my last video that I have to upload tonight, so I'm super excited about that. But, okay guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Hit that red notification button. Yeah, notification button. Hit that red subscription button below, and hit that notification bell. That way you are notified of any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys next time.